Are you ready to unlock true financial freedom? Imagine a life where financial stress is a thing of the past, and you have the freedom to pursue your passions and dreams without any limitations. Reaching a net worth of $100,000 is a pivotal milestone on your wealth building journey. It's a significant achievement that marks the beginning of a new chapter in your financial life. It's not just about the money itself, but the transformation it ignites within you. This milestone represents the hard work, dedication, and smart financial decisions you've made along the way. This achievement signifies a shift in mindset, habits, and opportunities. It opens up new possibilities and sets a stage for even greater financial success in the future. Stay with me, and you'll discover why this milestone is a game changer. We'll explore how reaching this point can change your life in ways you never imagined. I'll even share a bonus tip at the end to help you leverage this milestone for even greater success. This tip will provide you with actionable steps to maximize your financial growth. Many people view $100,000 as an insurmountable hurdle. They see it as a distant dream, something that only a few can achieve. But I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely within your reach. With the right mindset, strategies, and determination, you can achieve this milestone and go beyond it. By understanding the power of this milestone and adopting the right strategies, you can unlock a world of financial possibilities. You'll learn how to make your money work for you and create lasting wealth. This is your journey to financial freedom, and it starts right now. Embrace the opportunities ahead and take the first step towards a brighter financial future. Reaching the $100,000 mark is a psychological game changer. It's not just about the money, it's about what it represents. It shatters limiting beliefs and empowers you to dream bigger. You start to realize that financial freedom is within your grasp. When you see tangible proof of your financial progress, it reinforces positive money habits and fuels your desire for more. This validation is crucial for maintaining momentum. This newfound confidence spills over into all areas of your life. You become more assertive, more willing to take on challenges, and more open to new experiences. Suddenly, you start to see opportunities you never noticed before. Your perspective shifts, and you begin to think like a wealth creator. You're no longer held back by the fear of taking calculated risks. Instead, you embrace them as necessary steps toward greater financial success. This shift in mindset is crucial for accelerating your wealth-building journey. Each step forward builds on the last, creating a powerful upward spiral. Remember, your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. Positive thinking and visualization can be powerful tools in your financial arsenal. Believe in your ability to create wealth, and you will. Your determination and hard work will pave the way for continued success. Keep reading for a bonus tip on how to make the most of your $100,000. This could be the start of an even greater financial journey. Once you hit $100,000, something magical happens. Momentum takes over. The power of compound interest starts to work its magic, and your wealth begins to grow exponentially. Investing even small amounts becomes more impactful, and your money starts working harder for you. This is where the importance of consistent saving and investing becomes crystal clear. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Don't underestimate the power of time in this equation. It's your greatest ally on the road to financial freedom. Stay tuned for a bonus tip that will supercharge your journey. Let me tell you about Sarah, a single mother who once believed that achieving financial security was an impossible dream. She worked tirelessly at a dead-end job, barely making ends meet. But everything changed when Sarah committed to reaching a net worth of $100,000. She started tracking her expenses, cut back on unnecessary spending, and picked up a side hustle. Slowly but surely, she watched her savings grow. When she finally hit the $100,000 mark, it was a life-changing moment. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of setting ambitious goals and taking consistent action. You too can achieve financial freedom, and I'll share a bonus tip to help you get there faster. Investing wisely. Putting your $100,000 to work. This section will guide you through the essential steps to make the most out of your hard-earned money. Congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone. It's a significant achievement that opens up a world of financial opportunities. Now it's time to put your $100,000 to work for you. This amount can be a powerful tool in building your financial future. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth and achieving long-term financial security. By making informed decisions, you can watch your money grow exponentially. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. Educate yourself and seek advice to overcome any uncertainties you may have. There are countless investment options available, from low-risk index funds to real estate and entrepreneurship. Each option has its own set of benefits and risks. The key is to find investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Understanding your comfort level with risk is essential for making the right choices. Seek guidance from a financial advisor if needed. Remember, the goal is to make your money work harder for you, generating passive income and securing your future. Passive income streams can provide financial stability and freedom. Keep watching for a bonus tip that will help you maximize your returns. This tip could be the game changer in your investment journey. The power of compounding. Time is your greatest asset. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compound interest. Simply put, it means earning interest on your initial investment, plus any accumulated interest. Over time, this creates a snowball effect, accelerating your wealth growth exponentially. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even small contributions made consistently can grow into significant sums over the long term. Don't underestimate the power of time in this equation. It's your greatest ally on the road to financial freedom. Stay tuned for a bonus tip that will help you harness the full potential of compounding. Bonus tip: unlocking exponential growth. You've made it. As promised, here's your bonus tip: reinvest your earnings. Instead of spending the profits from your investments, reinvest them back into your portfolio. This simple yet powerful strategy allows you to take full advantage of compound interest, accelerating your wealth growth exponentially. By reinvesting your earnings, you're essentially buying more assets that generate even more income. This creates a virtuous cycle of growth that can significantly shorten your journey to financial freedom. Remember, the key to unlocking exponential growth is to let your money work for you and compound over time. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Reaching a net worth of $100,000 is a significant milestone, but it's just the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. Remember, wealth is not a destination, but a journey of continuous learning, growth, and empowerment. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your successes, and never stop learning. Surround yourself with positive influences seek mentorship, and believe in your ability to create the life of your dreams. The power to achieve financial freedom lies within you. Take action now and claim your financial future. You have the power to create the life you desire. Don't wait for the perfect moment or allow fear to hold you back. Take action now, no matter how small the step. Start by setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, and exploring investment opportunities. Commit to consistent action and never underestimate the power of compound growth. Your financial future is in your hands. Claim it. Start today and take the first step towards your financial freedom. The time is now.